Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Today I am making my son some dairy-free sugar cookies because I just can't leave him out of this holiday cookie thing. So I decided to make him some dairy-free cookies, sugar cookies, and let me tell you, even if you are a dairy eater, these will be perfect for anybody. They are so delicious, so easy, and so quick. So follow along with me as I make these. I'll have everything listed in the description box. If you decide to try these, please comment and let me know.
Just like the ones I used to know. The white Christmas, of a white Christmas.